Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Gigpro app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Gigpro is a hospitality gig app designed to connect food service professionals with on-demand shifts in restaurants, bars, hotels, and other hospitality venues. Whether you're a line cook, server, dishwasher, or bartender, the app lets you browse available gigs in your area and apply instantly. It's built for flexibility, letting you choose when and where you want to work, without any long-term commitment. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Gigpro's interface is clean and easy to navigate. Users appreciate how quickly they can find gigs, and many report getting approved and booked within hours. The ability to build a profile, get rated, and earn repeat gigs from the same venues adds a layer of credibility. Payments are processed reliably, usually within 24 to 48 hours after completing a shift. That said, there are a few downsides. Some users mention inconsistent gig availability depending on the city. Others say that a few venues cancel shifts at the last minute or expect full-time performance without clear instructions. Ratings can also impact your future gig chances, so maintaining a high score is crucial. But for those who maintain professionalism and reliability, the app can open up a lot of opportunities. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Gigpro is a great app for hospitality workers looking for extra income, flexible hours, or a foot in the door with local venues. While it's not without its occasional flaws, it offers a solid and growing platform for the gig economy in the service industry. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.